Every morning starts with the same annoying ritual of hunting for cables that have slipped off the back of your desk. You find yourself bending over, reaching into the dark corners of your office, just to find the power cord or the monitor connection. It is an exhausting way to start a productive day. There is a much smarter way to build a workstation that actually works for you instead of against you. This professional docking hub is the key to turning your portable laptop into a powerhouse desktop experience with zero effort. It is a small, sleek device that sits quietly on your desk and manages every single peripheral you own. The real magic happens through one single, modern connection cord. You click it into your laptop and everything instantly activates. Your dual or even triple monitors light up with crisp visuals. Your mouse, keyboard, and external storage are immediately ready for action. It even delivers a massive amount of power to keep your battery full while you work on intense projects. You do not need a separate charger cluttering up your floor anymore. This hub handles the heavy lifting. To get the best experience, you have to be intentional with the initial setup process. Do not just tear it out of the box and plug it in. You need to make sure your laptop's system software and graphics drivers are fully updated first. This step is non-negotiable if you want a stable connection that does not flicker or drop out during an important video call. Once your software is current, the physical setup is a breeze. You connect the high-capacity power brick, link your screens to the standard video ports on the back, and then attach your accessories. The design is clean and fits perfectly under a monitor or off to the side. It is built to be a reliable workhorse for anyone who spends hours at a desk. If you use a laptop from the same ecosystem, you get the best possible performance, but it plays surprisingly well with other brands too. The main benefit is the sheer amount of screen real estate you gain. Being able to spread your work across 3 displays changes your entire workflow. You can have your research on one, your main project in the middle, and your communication apps on the side. No more toggling between tabs or losing your train of thought. This hub is all about reclaiming your time and your desk space. It removes the daily headache of cable management and replaces it with a seamless professional environment. It is a solid investment for anyone looking to build a serious home office that feels high-end and stays organized. You get to focus on your creative output while the hardware stays out of your way. This is the simplest way to upgrade your productivity without adding more stress to your life. Every port is clearly marked and easy to find, so you are not guessing where things go. It feels like a premium tool because it behaves like one. If you want a desk that looks as good as it functions, this is the way to go. Having everything run through a single point of contact means you can grab your laptop and head to a meeting in seconds. When you come back, you are docked and ready in one smooth motion. That kind of efficiency pays for itself every single day you use it. It is about creating a space that inspires you to do your best work without the technical friction.